Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to create a project in Azure DevOps. So let's get started. I'm going to launch a browser and log into your Azure DevOps application. For your case, it will be your company URL. Okay, once you log into the Azure website, you will see the interface like that. Left hand side, it will show Azure DevOps and and this is the organization, and then USA 7 and 8, and currently I have two projects, test project and Khan project. So in order to create a new project, click on the new project button, give a name, and mm, perfect. Uh, yeah, and you don't want to select the public option because anybody would have access to your project. You don't want to do that. Select private, only people you give access to will be able to view this project. There are many other options there. We're not going to worry about that as of now. Software is select the private, click create button. Also click create button. It takes you to this screen. So now you can tell this is organization name and this is the project name. But you want to go back, you click on the organization name and you see currently I have three different projects. So you can toggle, you can go to this project, this project, or this project. So um, and then probably you will not be creating a project in Azure DevOps. Maybe the Azure DevOps admin would create project, or a Scrum Master or project manager would have permission to create a project in Azure DevOps. So that's all for now. I have other videos that shows how to create a test plan, how to create test suite, how to um, uh, add test cases, how to import test cases, and how to execute test cases from Azure DevOps. Please watch these videos. Thank you. That's for now. Have a good day.